Breaking news, Manchester United has sacked manager Eric Ten Hag. This has been coming for a very long time. We've talked about this, we've been talking about this, and this manager has been absolutely clueless for at least since after his first season, right? The first season was actually okay. We had some results, we were on a run, and then we finished second, and then we won the FA Cup. We won the Carabao Cup, right? Second season, things just went from good to bad, right? But then in the end, just towards the end, we ended up winning the FA Cup in that very interesting game where we, of course, beat Man City 2-1. However, since the start of this third season, this 24-25 season, the team has been absolutely bonkers, and results has definitely not gone our way at all. We've been the banter club. We've been the whipping boys of the division. In Europe, we haven't won a game. Three games in Europe, 3 draws. Obviously the last one we came from 2 goals up against Porto, and we had to draw that game 3-3. So I'm not surprised at all at this. Not surprised. There's no surprise here at all. This is not a surprise. It has been coming. The writings has been in the wall for the past, at least since the beginning of last season. The writing has absolutely been on the wall. So where does Man United go from here now? Where do we go from here? I think that would be the question. That would be the interesting question. Where does Man United go from here? Who is going to come and take permanent charge of this team? And obviously, the statement says that Van Nistelrooy is going to take charge until the for the foreseeable future. I'm going to read the statement in a moment. So the statement reads: Eric Ten Hag has left his role as Manchester United's first team manager. Eric was appointed in April 2022 and led the club to 2 domestic trophies, winning the Carabao Cup in 2023 and the FA Cup in 2024. We are grateful to Eric for everything he has done during his time with us and wish him well for the future. Ruud van Nistelrooy will take charge of the team as interim head coach, supported by the current coaching team, whilst a permanent head coach is recruited. I mean, that's an interesting statement there, because there are a couple of things to unravel from that statement. Obviously, Ruud will take charge of the team. In the interim, they didn't state how long, so they didn't say he's going to take charge of the team till the end of the season, so there was no status as to how long is Ruud van Nistelrooy going to be in charge of the team. What direction are we going to go as a team? What direction are Manchester United going to go? That is a question that, honestly, at this point, as a fan, I cannot answer. I cannot answer what direction we're going to go as a team. And we'll just have to wait and see, right? We just have to wait and see what the club does now. That's an interesting statement there. It's been coming, and you heard it here first. Manchester United has sacked manager Eric Ten Hag. Let us know in the comments below who should be the manager. Do you watch football? Who is going to be the manager of this team? I'm happy. It looks like I'm happy, but trust me, deep down, I haven't been happy with the results. I've not been happy with the results. The results this past few since this season has been absolutely embarrassing. So yeah, let's see what happens from now on, and hopefully things will turn around for us. That's it. You heard it here first. Man U sack manager Eric Ten Hag. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.